Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill in Power BI, how to merge two tables together using Power Query. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to combine data from different sources and why the Merge Queries feature is such a game changer when you're working on your reports and dashboards. So if you've ever struggled to bring together, say, orders and customer information into one clean dataset, this is the process you've been looking for. Let's dive in. First, let's get started by opening up Power Query. In Power BI, you'll head up to the top menu and click on Home, then select Transform Data and click on Transform Data again in the dropdown. This is how you open the Power Query editor, which is like the central workshop for shaping and managing your data before it goes into your visuals. Take a look on the left, you'll see both tables listed, in this case probably something like orders and customers. Power Query essentially lets you play with your data before you ever turn it into charts or graphs, almost like prepping your ingredients before you start cooking. Now let's actually merge the tables. Start by selecting your main table, in our example that orders, then at the top ribbon go to Home, hover over Merge Queries and select Merge Queries as New. This is important. Merge Queries as New will create a fresh, combined table so your original tables stay untouched. This is great because you can experiment all you want without worrying you'll lose anything. A merge window pops up. Here you tell Power Query exactly how you want this merge to happen. For the first table, we're using orders, and for the second, customers. Now for these tables to line up, you need a matching column. Think of this as the common link between your tables. In most cases, something like customer ID is the key, so select customer ID in both tables. This is what lets Power Query match up each order with the right customer. You'll also see a Join Kind dropdown, which is really important here. Choose Left Out or All from Orders, Matching from Customers. This means every row from your orders table will be included, even if it can't find a match in customers. It's a lot like doing a left join in SQL if you have a programming background. Once you've set those, click OK and Power Query will build your merge table in just a moment. Next up, you'll notice your new merge table contains a single column representing the customer's data, but it's kind of nested or collapsed. To make the actual customer fields visible, click the small expand icon right next to the customer's column header. It looks like two little arrows. Here you can tick the boxes for customer name and country or whatever fields you want to bring in. When you click OK, those details will spread out into new columns in your table. Now you'll see a row for each order, with customer information bundled neatly alongside things like order ID and order amount. This is the magic of merging. You bring datasets together for richer, more meaningful insights. Finally, it's time to save your work. Head to the Home tab and click Close and Apply. Power BI will process your changes and add the new merged table to your list of available tables, all ready for creating visuals, measures, and reports. If you take a quick peek at the data in your main panel, you'll see it's perfectly combined, just like we planned. A couple of things to remember. Merging tables in Power Query works a lot like joins in SQL, and left outer means keep everything from your first table, add what matches from the second. There are also other join types for different scenarios. And unless you overwrite, merging this way doesn't change your original sources, it builds a brand new table for you. That's it. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.